Good evening to everyone and madam. Today we will be presenting our awareness topic, which is noise pollution in Malaysia. Noise pollution is an increasing problem in Malaysia coming from rapid urbanizations, to development, and the main culprits of these are like heavy traffics in cities like Kuala Lumpur, Penang, and Johor Bahru. Not only that, this also comes from industrial places like building highways or building new buildings in areas that really contributes to the issues. This effect is very serious if we don't handle it properly because it could lead to health problems like stress, anxiety, sleep disorders, and even heart disease. And not just that, it also hurts on the mental focus, making it hard for from students or to a working adult to concentrate in their productive field. Not just that, it also disrupts the wildlife habitats and can interfere with animal communication and behavior. And so, the Malaysian government, through the Department of Environment, has implemented regulations like the environmental quality regulations in 1987 to combat this issue. However, these are often difficult to enforce because other solutions, including building noise barriers on highways, promoting public transport. Ultimately, addressing this problem requires a collective effort from the government, industries, and the public to ensure a healthier and a more sustainable future in Malaysia. As you can see, noise pollution is a significant environmental problem often called a silent epidemic. While people's awareness varies from different people in different countries. For example, a study showed that many Japanese people sees it as a least type of pollution, while South Koreans sees it as a more serious. It still has a major impact on health, considering that it can cause hearing loss, sleep disorders, or even heart disease. In developing countries like Malaysia, noise pollution is a growing concern, and studies have shown that in Kuala Lumpur, it has been found that traffic noise often exceeds safety limits, leading to hearing problems for traffic officers. Even residential areas are affected with noise levels in the homes. Example like in Puchong, Malaysia, exceeding official recommendations during rush hour. Are working on solutions such as noise barriers. A study on a noise barrier at a school in Malaysia showed that while it helps reduce some noise, it wasn't fully effective against all types, and it didn't meet the safety requirements from the World Health Organization. The cities has also experimented the temporary solutions such as construction with noise barriers like in Jinan, China. Overall, urban noise pollution is a serious health risk that requires more attention. As city grows, more and more people will be exposed to these dangerous noise levels, and developing effective solutions like improved noise barriers and smart city planning will be crucial to making our cities a more healthier and quieter. I will now pass the next topic to the next person. Thank you.
Hi everyone, so today I'll be talking about some solutions to noise pollution in Malaysia. As we know, most of the noise comes from traffic, construction and industries. This problem is serious because it affects both our health and the environment. There are practical steps we can take to reduce it. First, stricter laws and enforcements are needed. Vehicles with loud exhausts and factories using noisy machinery should face regular checks and penalties if they break any rules. At the same time, city planning can play a role. Noise barriers along the highways, planting more trees, and using soundproof materials in new housings can all help shield community from noises. Transport is another key area. If more people use public transport, cycle, or switch to electric vehicles, the overall traffic noise will go down. In workplaces, especially factories and construction sites, companies should provide quieter equipment, protective gear, and regular hearing tests for workers. Now lastly, raising awareness is very important. Simple actions like not honking unnecessarily and maintaining vehicles properly can reduce noise pollution if everyone takes part. In conclusion, by combining stronger laws, better city design, cleaner transport, safer workplaces, and public awareness, Malaysia can work towards creating a quieter and healthier city for the future.
Hello everyone, my name is Lim. So when we talk about noise pollution, it's easy to focus only the negative sides, the traffic, the construction, the loud factory. But today I want to highlight something different, the positive progress that already happened in Malaysia to fight this issue. The government has already put in place law to limit noise from vehicle and industry area. While enforcement can be tricky, these regulations are an important first step towards long-term change. More and more, we are seeing smarter city planning. Developers are adding noise barriers, planting trees, and even using soundproof material in buildings. These changes help reduce noise while also improving our environment. What really exciting is the way young people in Malaysia are stepping up. Student activities and even social media influencers are using their voice to raise awareness and push for action. That kind of energy and passion give us real hope. So yes, noise pollution is a serious issue, but the good news is we are not standing still. From stronger law and better design to growing awareness and young involvement, we are moving in the right direction. Together we can build a future that's not just louder with development, but better, healthier and more balanced for everyone.